Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are taking on this staircase. It has been very well used and very well loved. You can see at the top here, they have installed this loose lay vinyl, and so we are going to be continuing that on the stairs. Here at Step Up, we take flat vinyl plank flooring and we turn it into stair nosing so that you or we can install it on your stairs. Generally, we start our installation from the bottom, and I have a bunch of detailed videos in our channel that explains why, if you want to hit that subscribe button and check them out. But on this particular stair set, we actually decided to start on the landing. The main reason for that is just because you really need to limit the amount of walking that you do on vinyl plank flooring after it has been installed and before the adhesive can set. And for this one, we realized that it was going to be too much to be walking on the bottom steps after they were installed to do the top ones. So we decided to start with the landing, do the top stairs installation, and then come back and do the bottom one. So that is why the adhesive was not put under the nosing piece. We're going to let the rest of this adhere, and then we'll actually pull that nosing off and install it as basically the very last piece once we've come back up the bottom stairs. Lots of loose lay vinyls are advertised as not needing to be glued down, but especially when you have uneven surfaces or drastic temperature changes, it is advised generally to adhere them, and we're just using a classic Roberts vinyl adhesive to do that, and then we tape them together to hold everything nice and secure because the adhesives that we use generally take 24 hours to fully set. Okay, and then we're starting the installation process. This bottom step here is a little bit interesting because not only is it open on one side for part of the step, but also for the riser. So you saw there we just used a 45 cut on the end of that vinyl riser and put a little cap piece in, and then we also have this open stair tread being put into place. And again, here comes the tape. The tape generally stays on for about 24 hours, and then we come back and take it off once the glue that we're using on the stairs is a PL Premium has set. The other big thing to note on installing loose lay vinyl is that you saw the little rubber mallet there. You need to make sure that the two boards are the same height with the adhesive because they do not click together, and so they are not held together. So it just makes this installation process a little more time consuming, and we need to be very, very accurate as we're doing it. But you can see here we're now just continuing that process going up. So this particular customer had reached out to us on our website, stepupvinyl.ca, after they had already installed the loose lay at the top of the stairs. And the great thing about our business is that, yes, we can use whatever vinyl you've already been working with to do the nosings and make the stairs so that it's the exact same color, material, texture, because it is the exact same material as what's above. This particular customer chose a loose lay vinyl because they had some uneven spots in their floor, and the salesperson had talked to them about how this would probably be their best bet. However, generally, assuming that those uneven portions are not too extreme, we would actually suggest making sure that you're going with a click vinyl and generally a thicker LVP that has that solid core, because that is going to hold the boards together. The difficulty on the uneven part at the top is that the edges, because they're not clicked together, may not always hold over those uneven spots. So if you want help or advice in picking what vinyl to use, you're more than welcome to reach out to us on our website. You can also hit that subscribe button and check out our channel. We have a whole bunch of videos talking about the different types of vinyl. What is that LVP I was just talking about? That can help you along the way. But here we are with it all done. We've gone back and done the bottom. The tape's still on it. Like I said, that's going to stay on for about 24 hours. And then here we are when we're all done. So you can see just that really beautiful finish that we have going on here. And again, it's the exact same vinyl as at the top, so it matches perfectly. Please hit that thumbs up button and smash that subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.